Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox FPS Unlocker. First, you'll want to download the tool from a reliable source, like its official GitHub repository. This small application helps you bypass Roblox's default 60 frames per second limit, allowing for a much smoother gameplay experience. It's a simple process, and we'll walk through each step to get you set up quickly and efficiently. Once downloaded, extract the files to a location you can easily access. Then, simply run the executable file. The unlocker usually operates quietly in your system tray, automatically detecting when Roblox is running. There's no complex installation wizard. It's designed to be straightforward. Just launch it, and it will work its magic in the background, ready to enhance your gaming. To customize your experience, right-click the unlocker's icon in your system tray. Here, you can set your preferred frame rate limit, perhaps 144 or even 240 frames per second, depending on your monitor. You can also toggle features like VSync for smoother visuals. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your system and gaming style. For the best results, always launch the FPS Unlocker before starting your Roblox game. It's also a good idea to keep the application updated to its latest version to ensure compatibility and access new features. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both the Unlocker and your Roblox client often resolves them. Enjoy your significantly smoother and more responsive Roblox gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.